Now, I can also do the same thing if I have a list of numbers. 1, 2, 3. So I have a list of integers here, li numbers, and I can do things like print int number squared. So I can do math on the fly with these things, and then I can print out the squares of those numbers. So I can iterate through a list of numbers or any kind of data type. I can even have a list that contains lists. If you want to try and wrap your mind around that right now, we'll actually be working in that space not too long in the future. But basically, this is called iteration. And what it means is you're going one by one through a list or a set of things and doing something with them. So when I say for int num, this is the variable that's going to appear. This is the container that I'm going to use to hold each one of these. So this is the temporary container that I'm going to use inside the loop. This will not exist after the loop is finished. Okay, so I have this, and see how it's highlighting it? It says it's going to be undefined because it's not, actually it just kept the last number in there. That's wild. But it's not useful information. Okay, but it could be undefined here. So now, if I want to iterate through these, right? This is the list. These are the members. And I can use this for whatever I want inside. My favorite number is, okay, and I can use it multiple times in that code. So I can use it with the list.